Images of the next Xiaomi flagship have just been leaked. We are talking about the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. And the truth is that there are not too many surprises in the leaked images, since this one, like most Chinese flagships, will have a design with a mega circular module on the back. And I think this is not simply a matter of taste, but practically a must, due to the tremendous amount and quality of sensors they use. And remember that it is said that the new HP9 module will be used in this device and made by Samsung, with a 200 megapixel sensor, a telephoto lens to give extraordinary quality. However, it is a rather thick module that uses a lot of space, and that is why many manufacturers bet on placing these very protruding modules on the back. So it would have a design very similar to what we have already seen in past generations of this device. In this case, it has been leaked in white and black color. However, the arrangement of the cameras looks slightly different from what we had seen in previous models, as it notes that in the upper top right is where it would be placed this possible HP9, which looks very large. At the bottom would be 3 other cameras, all with a little symmetrical placement. And to fill in the upper left corner would be the Leica branding with other badges. In the black version, it is noted that it would also have a red ring to give it a more photographic touch. And other leaked images had also revealed a special version, possibly with a dual-tone finish on the black and white back cover, which will surely be a bit more expensive or will be a collector's item. So let me know what you think of the design that this device will have, and if you think it will be one of the best in the industry, or you think it will be just another competitor for the premium range. It is expected that this device will also be presented at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. Remember that this is a fair where many brands take the opportunity to present several new products, including Xiaomi. So you have to wait for the official launch, and I will also be telling you everything.